Game ball!
Lalaro talaga yan.
Kuya Kiso. Kuya Kiso nag-aaral pa sa pass to number 4. Number 4. No good. Nakakuha niya kaya agad. Pass to Nick. Nick. Foul. Shooting foul. Foul. First, dalawang pagtatangka. Basket. Official score 28-22. Lamang ang may alam. Number 15, Kelly pass to number 0, Tolentino pass to number 2, number kakain na, basket. Nick, wala. Nick, pass to number 29, shooter yan. Now, take a three. Kuya Lilit. Pass to Nick. Nagmamadali. Nag-isa lang. Naka-steam. Soloista. Pinasa. Nakuha ni Kuya Kiso. Dribble the ball. Super layup. Basket by follow up by number 2. Number 2. Pass to Nick. Nagkahanap ng papasan. Pass to number wala ay lahat. Number 3. No good. Naribo ni number 0, Tolentino nagmamadali. Bawal na yan. Sa laro. Bawal na yan sa bulan. Parado din mga kaibigan. Nick. Pass to Kuya mga kartega. Nakakuha ni. Save. Logo na rin ni Tolentino pinasa sa kalaba. Kuya Mar. Tinasa kay number 29. Logo pa rin. Konti na lang. Easy back. Marbella. Sarama na lang. Tira, no good pa rin nakakuha ni. Binasa kay Kuya Kiso. Marbella, ayaw na, Jelly Ace. Nick, tatlo kayo. Pinasa kay Kuya Nick, basket. Kuya Lilit, nagbababa ng bola. Kuya Lilit, galit. Pinasa kay Tolentino. Kuya Lilit, pinasa kay Hime. Jump! No good. Nakuha ni. Nariba. Na-steal ni number 21, Hime. Na-steal ni Nick. No good. Basket by Kiso. Okay, mamaya, dead ball. Easy lang kayo. Kuya Mar, nagmamadali, super layup. Pinasa ni Kuya Tan. Go pa rin! Okay, Ritero, okay. Ritero, shoutout, wala. Santiago, to Mr. Yatek, to Kapitan, wala. Ano pa ito Mr. Ritero? Wala pa rin. Okay, wala ngayon ang lahong. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 52 seconds. 3 minutes down the way for the favor of La Kaportada. Ito sa Mr. Ritero. Wala, it's broken. Locked out to Mr. Hime. Pass to Mr. Lockdown. Back to Mr. Hime. Okay, interesado na Mr. Kapitan to Mr. Lantek ko yun. Nag-iisa. Basket for 2 points. 36 down to 26. Marbella.
Okay. Interesante. Latte. Basket for 2 points. 36 down to 28. Magsino. Tulaktaw. Basket for 2 points. Last 4 minutes. Laktaw. Basket for 2 points. Okay, Mr. Hime. Mr. Laktaw. Okay, basket for 2 points by Mr. Laktaw. Santiago. Wala, yung baga Mr. Magsino. Hime. Okay, Mr. Retiro. Pass to Mr. Openiano. Shot on 3. Wala, rebound by Mr. Magsino. Okay, intercepted by jersey number naka-white. Tenorio. Pass to Mr. Antonio. Basket for 2 points. Hime to Mr. Laktaw. Shot on 3. It's an air ball. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Second. Ritero, shot on 3. Wala, rebound by Mr. Tenorio. Pass to Mr. Victor. Wala, rebound by Mr. Magsino. Pass to Mr. Hime. Last 2 minutes. Hime. Pass to Mr. Laktaw, shot on 3. It's an air ball. Rebound by Mr. Marbella. Rebound by Mr. Victoriano to Mr. Openiano ngayon. Shot on 2. Wala, rebound by Mr. Ritero. Sa basket by Mr. Ritero. 42 down to 32. Hime ngayon. Pass to Mr. Laktaw. Okay, intercepted by Mr. Tenorio. $42 down to 32. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Last 1 minute. Openiano to Mr. Ritero. Wala, rebound by Mr. Laktaw. Last 50 seconds. Makinig na lang po tayo sa buzzer. Magsino. Pass to Mr. Hime.
Ano ba yun? Shoot na wala.
Openiano. Okay, basket for 2 points by Mr. Openiano. 42 down to 34. Konti na lang po ang inahabol.
42-34.
Last 15.1 seconds. 42 down to 34. Okay, Openiano. Pass to Mr. Ritero ngayon. Sa Mr. Tenorio. Wala. Last 6.2 seconds. Last 5.
Laser.
Wala ka.